You know how these toilet paper holders like this, they come loose like this, and how annoying it is? It could happen to towel racks. Oh, this one's a little loose too. Towel racks loose, toilet paper holder is loose. I'm going to show you how to solve this issue so it doesn't happen again. We're going to start with our toilet paper holder. We'll take the toilet paper off. And it's loose, right? Oh my gosh, this one's really loose. No wonder. So under this holder, there is a set screw. And this one just happens to be an Allen key. So if you have Allen keys like this, then you'll be able to do the job. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the set screw out of the toilet paper holder. And we're just going to wind it out. And there's our tiny little set screw that come out of the holder here. This is how small it is, just a little set screw. That's all that's holding your toilet paper holder under here, under the mount for your toilet paper holder. What we're going to do is we're going to take a little tube of thread locker. Now this is medium thread locker. You can also use Loctite, it's medium. This color is blue. I believe that's what medium means, is the blue locker. And we're going to take the blue thread locker and we're just going to put a tiny dab on there like that. You see that? And we're going to take our set screw, put it back in our holder like this. We're going to put it back on here, onto the mount. And we're going to snug up that set screw. And what that thread locker is going to do is it's going to harden on those threads and it'll stop that set screw from turning back out. We'll get our Allen key up here into the set screw and we're going to snug it up. But you don't have to go crazy with this, just snug it up. Now if you have new bathroom holders for your towels or toilet paper, whatever, robes, I would suggest you do this when you're installing your new toilet paper holders and other hardware like this. See, now it's not going to wobble. That thread locker will harden in there. It'll stop that set screw from slowly becoming loose and causing your holder to become loose. Okay, while we're here, we'll do the towel holder as well. This side's tight, this side's loose. I should be able to back this screw out of here without taking the whole towel rack holder down. I'll just take the screw out, add a little thread locker to it, medium thread locker, and we'll put the set screw back in. Again, just a little bit of thread locker on the screw there. Turn it around, put it on our Allen key, and put it back into the holder. There you go, nice and snug. And that, my friends, is how you keep your towel holder, your toilet paper holder, snug on the wall so it doesn't come loose and wobbly and is annoying. Use this medium thread locker. This here will only cost you like $5 or $7. It's worth every penny. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.